What up, you guys? I wanted to share with you this cute embellishment box that I made and how I packaged everything up for my friend Barbara. So she loves Mickey and Minnie, and I was super excited to create this for her. That Minnie in the center is actually a decal that you see later on that I bought from Dollar Tree, and I just used some paper that I purchased from the expo in this past summer. Like the crafty expo. I don't know, I'm new to the whole craftiness, so I picked up a few sheets and that sticker of Minnie, and I had that heart-shaped doily. Also the ribbon that you see the bow of Minnie on there, and Mickey I think, is from that expo that I told you about, and those little Mickey ears, little embellishment, little thingies that are on there is from there as well, the expo. And then the heart stickers and the little bling heart stickers, I already had that on hand, and the velvet ribbon. And I made this into a shaker. I got inspired by a fellow YouTuber. Her name is Devii Love. I'm gonna leave her link down below. Go check her out. She did a fall, I think it was a fall giveaway, and she made that embellishment box, and she put sequins in the middle there, and it turned out super cute. My mom has been telling me to do it this way, but I didn't know how, and she actually used tulle, and I used hot glue. That's what she mentioned in her video, and this is how it turned out. Super cute. I absolutely love it. Thank you for the inspiration, girl. And yeah, if you aren't familiar with her channel, I'll leave her link down below so you guys could check her out and let her know I sent you. So these are the things I included, and this little key thing, and I got that from that expo I told you about. I put some pom-poms, some die cuts, paper clips, heart stickers, glitter, and some buttons that I purchased from the expo as well, and these cute little, I don't know, embellishments, I guess, Mickey, like Mickey's head, and sequins and candy, and this ribbon, these two ribbons I got from there as well, the expo, and then some washi tape that I purchased from Michael's. So that's how it turned out. I also put her name down at the bottom. This is Barbara, and I also included this cute mini pen, Mickey Mouse lollipop, a little baggie, and inside is a little keychain. When I went to Florida, I had picked up some keychains, and then here I shared some stickers with her. Those are stickers. And then these little hearts and these other little floral blings, and a paper pad from Echo Park, and his wish upon a star. So this is what I have put together for her. Oh, this is the wall decals that I bought from Dollar Tree. Now you're gonna see me just package everything up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, just because I like videos like this. So oh, that I put in the back of the box, that was a paper bag, like a gift bag, and I just fussy cut it out and I put it there. I also added some crinkle paper and some pom-poms and some cutouts of hearts from whatever was left over from the paper that I had, because I only bought a couple of sheets, so I lined it with some tissue paper. I also decorated the inside of the box using some garland from Dollar Tree, and also those decals that I showed you earlier. And this is a little mini, I don't know, a little like trinket thing that you could just have decorated. So I put that in. My mom actually gave it to me to put in her package. And this cute polka dot tissue paper, I got it from Family Dollar, but Family Dollar is super expensive. I mean, I got this for like $1 in a pack with, I think, white tissue paper, I think. And then the black and white, and I thought that was perfect. Then I just added some ribbon to make it look super cute. And I didn't put tape on the tissue paper, just in case she wanted to use the tissue, and yeah. And I was trying to curl the end of that, but that wasn't working out. Now I'm just gonna like put everything in, see what it fits. I bought this cute mug from, where did I get it from? Wow, I can't remember now. TJ Maxx or Marshalls or Home Goods, I can't remember, but I just basically bubble wrapped the crap out of it because I didn't want it to break. And also tissue paper and some washi, and I added some, I think I added, those little heart cutouts, and then I added this here, everything that I'm gifting to her. I tied it up with the ribbon. I gave her the pen. I stick it on the side. I also added some candy that I picked up from Dollar Tree that I couldn't pass up. It was super cute. The peppermint, Mike and Ike's, and the ribbon candy. Since it was Christmas time, she already received this about a week ago. But my editing software was taking forever to link all this footage onto here. So yeah, and I saw this cute little cup from Amazing Savings around my neighborhood. It's like a little shaker. I couldn't not pass it up. And then I was crafting with my aunts, and I made that box. And then I went to Target Dollar Spot, which they didn't have much, so I just bought, I think it's like a bath bomb or something. And then I have a gift card for her, and I totally forgot to stick it in here. So I have to see her again. She is a viewer of mine, also / friend. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Barbara, I hope you liked it. I know you did. You texted me and let me know you did. I'm just rearranging everything. I hope you guys like videos like this, because I sure do. I added a whole bunch of pom-poms in black, white, and red. Whatever actually I had left over. And some crinkle paper, and I also added some tissue, more hearts, and then my card on the top. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below. Love talking to you guys on there, and I'll check you guys on the next one. Bye!